Make a great choice today with the 2020 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable. But its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front disc rear drum brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.